Hey, how's it going? Today we are installing the timing cover and water pump on the Pontiac 400. We're going to start out by getting the alignment sleeve out of here. I'm not a big fan of these things. They make things a giant pain in the butt to line up. I just want the thing out of here so I can use these 4 bolt holes to line up the entire timing cover. Once that thing is actually out, I'm going to start by getting the front seal and the timing cover with a hammer and a block of wood. You can use a hydraulic press if you have one. It makes life significantly easier. Once that is done, we have the divider plate in the water pump. You want about an 1/8 inch gap between the pump and the fins on the water pump itself. You see here, we kind of mount that together. Line it up the best you can, kind of eyeball it. Take a tape measure if you can, be ideal. We're going to use black, ultra black on here just to make sure it's nice and sealed since there is oil. 30 foot-pounds of torque on the front of the 11 bolt timing cover and the water pump. And from there, just going to tighten things up in a nice all the way around, and then star pattern, 10 pounds of torque on the pan bolts, and you are good to go. If you like what you have been seeing, please like, please subscribe. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.